Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use trading fee rebate voucher in Binance. So as you can see, I have opened the official app of Binance. So you will see multiple options on the below section, home, market, trade, future, assets. So just click on this first section, home, and from here you will be see below the balance many options like referral, BNB build, earn, and rewards hub. So what you need to do is just find this option called rewards hub, and if you do not see this option, just click on this more option, and from here you can easily search or just find rewards hub. And once you find the rewards hub, just open this one, and it will take a few seconds to load. So let it load completely and you will be able to see all the tasks or like all the vouchers here. So if you want to earn more vouchers, you will see all the tasks like ongoing tasks, scroll down and enjoy rewards. So you will see all the tasks here. So let's say you have the voucher and you want to use it, just click on my vouchers. As you can see, I have 0 vouchers. So what you need to do is just click on this and it will take you to another next page. And as you can see, I do not have any vouchers. So if you have vouchers, just go to the rewards hub, and from here you will be able to use this voucher. And let's say I've go to rewards shop, and from here you can also buy some vouchers by completing the tasks. So you can see the points and the voucher. Let's say you want to claim this voucher, and once you claim the voucher, you will find it in my vouchers. So once you go to my vouchers, just click on the voucher and click on use, and then you can select the pair and easily use voucher. So that is how you can do it in Binance.